Hello! In this lecture, we will learn how to create and draw the reinforcement of columns. Click Structure, Column, and choose this type, height to level 2, and draw. Select the column, the cover is columns, and columns, apply. You can remove an analytical model. Okay. Now create section above, or you can click view section. So click sections and the first point and second point. We will learn soon how to create and edit a sections. Now open this section, click Project Browser, Sections, Section 1. Double click. So this is the section, the column from level 1 to level 2. Now click on this column and click Revit. Press OK. There are many shapes of Revit. Revit shape browser, M00, M01, M02, all shapes. For stirrups, for circular column, many shapes. Okay. Now choose the Revit shape M00, click. The placement Revit. The placement current work plane and parallel to work plane. So the bar is parallel to work plane. Or for example, I will choose the stirrups to understand. So click stirrups, parallel to work plane with this shape, or perpendicular to cover by this shape. This is the right shape and right position. Okay. So Revit set single, no, fixed number, or we can click maximum spacing, or number with spacing, or minimum clear spacing. Maximum spacing, and the spacing is 200 millimeter. Okay, and click. You can click modify and press this Revit T10 layout rule. Maximum spacing, and spacing is 200. You can add it, for example, to 150. Apply. Now the quantity is 21, the spacing 150. Okay, 200 again, and click apply. And now again select column, Revit, choose M00, parallel to work plane, and choose T16 and place. Okay, place 1 and click modify and open on level 1. Now you can move a section, or you can hide. Select hide element. So this is the stirrups and Revit T16. Okay. Now select, click, and move. Can click and for example it's not single, fixed number, and the number is 4. The number is 4. Select and copy. Constraint 200. Again with multiple. Select again and move. Okay, now select and the number is 2, and select the quantity is 2. Now click 3D, the reinforcement, and you click remove the lines. So stirrups T10, BCD the length, and spacing 200 millimeter. Select the sweeper, fixed number 4, B 2920, minus 4 millimeter down and minus 4 millimeter up. So this is the reinforcement of column. You can add stirrups again and stirrups again. Open elevation or sections. So this is the reinforcement of column.